Compared to traditional skin boosters, Juvelook offers much more than surface hydration. Hi everyone, Dr. Edmond here from EC Skin Laser Aesthetic Clinic located in Penang, Malaysia. Welcome back to my channel, where we talk about skin health, aesthetic treatments, and what works for your skin. Today, we are diving into a treatment that have been getting a lot of buzz lately, Juvelook. Now, you may have heard people call it a skin booster, and yes, it does that. But the truth is, Juvelook is more than just a skin booster. Let me tell you why. Most people think of skin boosters as something that just hydrates the skin. You feel fresh for a few days and then it wears off. But Juvelook is different. It combines two powerful ingredients, poly-D-L-lactic acid, which is PDLLA, and hyaluronic acid. These combinations give you the instant hydration and long-term collagen stimulation. It is also known as a hybrid product. That's what sets it apart. In simple terms, Juvelook doesn't just make your skin look better for a short period of time, it trains your skin to behave younger, encouraging your body to produce more good collagen over time. This makes Juvelook ideal for treating fine lines and tired under eyes, acne scars, or uneven skin texture. Juvelook can also be used to treat the neck and gluteal touch area and to address early skin laxity. And it's not just for mature skin. I also recommend it to younger patients who want to prevent signs of aging without looking overly done. Let me share with you a quick story. I had a patient in her 30s who came in feeling self-conscious about dull skin and early formation of fine wrinkles around the eyes. She wasn't ready for fillers, she wanted something more natural. So we tried Juvelook. 3 weeks later, she came back glowing, not just from the skin, but from confidence. Her skin texture improved, her under eye looked smoother, and she felt more like herself again. That's the kind of result that people like seeing. So, what exactly is PDLLA? PDLLA is a biodegradable polymer that works beneath the skin to stimulate fibroblasts, the cell responsible for producing collagen and elastin. Meanwhile, hyaluronic acid delivers immediate hydration and plump up the skin. The results, a gradual, natural improvement that can last up to a year with the right maintenance treatment. Let's go over some common questions I get from my patients. Is the treatment painful? Well, we apply numbing cream beforehand, so most patients find it very tolerable, just a slight pricking sensation. How many sessions do I need? Usually 2 to 3 sessions spaced out a month apart. But even after the first session, you'll see positive changes. Is there any downtime? Well, with Juvelook treatment, the downtime is very minimal. You might get some redness or tiny bumps right after, but they settle within a day or two. Compared to traditional skin boosters, Juvelook offers much more than surface hydration. It builds not just boosts. It's a collagen stimulator, a skin rejuvenator, and a long-term investment for your skin health. If you have been searching for something that gives instant glow and long-term results, Juvelook might just be what your skin needs. At EC Skin Laser Aesthetic Clinic, our approach is never one size fits all. Juvelook may be a great option for you if you are looking for something natural, gradual, and effective without drastic change or downtime. If you'd like to find out more about Juvelook and if Juvelook suits your skin needs, feel free to come in for a personalized consultation. We'll assess your skin type, concerns, and goals, and walk you through it step by step. Got questions about Juvelook or other treatments? Drop them in the comment section below. And don't forget to follow us on our social media for more expert tips, real patient journeys, and latest updates from EC Skin Laser Aesthetic Clinic. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more videos like this. Take care of your skin, and we'll see you in our next one.